Hello friends, how are you? How are you doing at home? Welcome to our lesson. Today we are learning k sound. Say k sound. K sound. Can you look at this picture? Now let's read this word. S-O-K. Sock. Can you read after me? S-O-K. Sock. This is sock. Look at this picture. Now let's read. L-O-K. Lock. Andy and Audrey, can you read after me? L-O-K. Lock. One more time. Andy and Audrey, look at this picture. Now let's read this word. L-O-K. Lock. Can you read after me? L-O-K. Lock. Good. Tiffan, look at this picture. Now let's read this word. K-O-K. Cock. Can you read after me? K-O-K. Cock. Jonathan Imbrutu, can you read after me? K-O-K. Cock. Well done. Okay, can you look at this picture? Now let's read this word. S-A-K. Sack. Can you read after me? S-A-K. Sack. Quinton, can you read after me? S-A-K. Sack. One more time. S-A-K. Sack. Well done. Okay, can you look at this picture? What is this? Okay, now let's read this word. D-A-K. Duck. Can you read after me? D-A-K. Duck. One more time. D-A-K. Duck. Well done. Okay, can you look at this picture? What is this? Okay, this is clock. Now let's read this word. K-O-K. Clock. One more time. K-O-K. Clock. Kosam, can you read after me? K-O-K. Clock. Well done. Okay, friends. Now let's read the words with K sound without picture. Can you look at this word? Now let's read. N-E-K. Neck. Can you read after me? N-E-K. Neck. Touch your neck. Show me your neck. 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 Quinton? Neck. Good. S-E-K. Sick. Ivan, can you read after me? S-E-K. Sick. Can you read after me? S-E-K. Sick. Well done. Look at this word. Now let's read. K-E-K. Kick. Can you read after me? K-E-K. pick. Well done. Look at this word. Now let's read. Rack. Iris, can you read after me? Rack. Well done. Ivan, look at this word. Now let's read. Pick. Can you read after me? Pick. Well done. Iris, look at this word. Now let's read. Lock. Can you read after me? Lock. Well done. Jonathan Mbruto, look at this word. Now let's read. Clock. Can you read after me? Clock. Well done. Look at this word. Now let's read. Sock. And Audrey, can you read this word? Sock. Well done. Kosam, look at this word. Now let's read. Back. Well done. Now let's try to read these sentences. Number 1. Jack. Say Jack has a cock. Let's read. Jack has a cock. One more time. Jack has a cock. Well done. Number 2. Pick. Say pick. Pick. And kick the ball. Can you read after me? Pick and kick the ball. One more time. Pick and kick the ball. Well done. Number 3. Say my neck has tick. Jonathan Mbrutu, let's read together. My neck has tick. Well done. Number 4. I have a lock and a cock. Can you read one more time? I have a lock and a cock. Well done.